Welcome to the Cafe Ex Machina channel. Today I will repair a Gipiemme/Simplex Downtube shifter with a broken friction spring. When I installed the shift lever in place, it did not feel right. The left lever feels just right. When pulling the lever backward, it moves lightly, but when pushing it forward, the friction spring resists the movement. The right-hand side moves easily in both directions. Nothing left to do but make a new friction spring. I 3D printed myself a spring-making machine. The machine has a drilled chuck where a shaft of the desired thickness is installed. A hole is drilled through the shaft, and piano wire is threaded through it. Once the piano wire is in place, start slowly rotating the shaft. At the same time, the wire feed is guided with a thumb so that the wire coils around the shaft. .5 mm thick piano wire is really stiff. Pretty good for a first try. Next, the wire is cut at the hole. Damn, it flew off somewhere. Well, this is enjoyable enough that I will make another one. Feed and install the new wire in place. In the machine, I use a Gipiemme chuck drill that costs €16. The machine also required two 6000 RS2 ball bearings, one 608 RS2 bearing, and an M5 screw. Altogether, everything cost about €25, including the filament. Now the spring is turning out significantly better. This is a truly factory quality spring. A 90-degree bend needs to be made in the spring. The original spring has 4 coils, so I will grind it to the correct length. Next, I'll do a test installation. The spring fits perfectly into the shift lever. And then the final installation. Now the lever works like new. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.